All right, so I'm still at vacation. I'm now in Sweden, and what do you know? I found this guy, Robert.
Hello!
So we passed by and we decided to stay here a couple of days. There's a very nice camping resort here, and Robert lives next by, and this is his retro garage. So, how are you, Robert?
I'm fine. It's very nice to have you coming over for visit in Boden in Sweden. I have just made some SD cards, readers for Atari 520 and 1040. You can put the SD card inside of it, and you put this adapter on the back side of the hard disk side.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Should I show you?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
I
okay.
I don't have those kinds of extensions to my
Yeah.
Atari, so that's interesting.
Yes. You put it inside, and the first thing you're gonna see at its connect boot C. It's almost like it's DOS, but it's not DOS.
Yeah, and it was very quick too.
Yes. And then you can choose hard drive, hard disk in Sweden.
Yeah, this is the Swedish version of TOS.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we can take Golden Axe, for example, and run with TOS. And now it begins. It's a Golden Axe game.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen that game.
It runs very quickly to begin.
Yeah, that was
might
quick.
be a kind of high volume, I don't know.
Yeah, by the way, I'm just filming with my phone. I don't have a microphone with me, so
That's just for testing. Now we're gonna see if you come closer. You connect it to this input through the pins.
okay,
Directly.
that's nifty.
Yeah, and then you can make a 19 port connector directly with the cable if you want to have it loose.
Okay,
But
yeah.
it works very fine with the connection directly.
Just the pin headers.
Yeah.
down there,
Then you have a clock battery
Oh, nice.
to use it with games that needs clock.
Yeah, okay.
Most games doesn't need clock. And then it's a 5 volts USB connector to make it run the power to it.
Oh, so it needs external.
Yeah, it
Sorry.
needs external power. So then this one, it's a 4 gigabyte SD card, and I wanna give this to you.
Oh, really?
That's I got so many of them. I made me and my friend David made 10 of them.
Oh,
Yes, so the price go down.
okay.
And he had programmed this one when I got done some other stuff.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so that's great. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
Appreciate it. Okay, just put it there.
Yeah.
No, take me through what you have
Yeah.
inside here, just quickly.
Yes. When you come in, you can begin in the beginning. I can close the door because I hear someone is cutting the lawn.
Yeah. So it's a nice neighborhood here, as you can see, and very
And,
nice weather.
in the garage, if you enter then, I close the door so we don't hear the mower.
Yeah, that's good. You have a lot of machines and equipment and a lot of spare parts, I can see.
If you look here, I got a workplace with many oscilloscopes. Don't need this much. I think I got 25 oscilloscopes.
Okay. You bought those?
No, I got from school and stuff that parts are going to decrease.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
I got components. Behind here is more components and components and components, and over here is filled. And I got Amiga 4000.
Oh my god.
3000, 128D, 1200. And if you go down on the knees, I got 500s over here.
Oh, really?
And I got Ataris and Amiga 1200 anymore. More of them.
You have so good order on everything.
I try to have it's a small garage,
Yeah.
so you must have optimal order to or it got cloudy.
Yeah,
I
of
need
course.
the open spaces even to work. And here I got a very funny thing that my children and I work with. It's a PC i7. You don't need that much machine. It's called. Let's see if it's coming back. This machine is not Windows.
No.
It's Linux.
It's a Linux.
Yes, and operating Batuasera Linux.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I have a machine with the Batocera. Actually, I showed it once in a video. I tested it for a company that sold it.
It's yeah. Sorry.
It's retro games
Yes.
on modern
Yeah.
hardware.
And you got here. I think Tommy has shown you on his page, on his channel. It got different games. We can take one just for fun. Nintendo, and you
Yeah.
see when you chooses here, you can see the video of the game before you begin to play, so you know if it was the game you want to try.
Yeah, of course.
And it got plenty of them. You see here, here.
You have everything here.
Yeah, and the ROM files is my only one. I don't own all these ROM files.
Yeah,
I don't,
sure.
you know, but there are most free and
Yeah.
some are paid for.
Yeah.
You're gonna pay for some of them. Yeah. Here's a test machine, but I'm gonna move it away and Fluke oscilloscope.
Yeah. Okay.
Portable.
Yes.
So you can use it on the primary side on the 230 volts
Okay.
lines.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. A workstation for me when I work and look after programs and different. I got my microscope and my setup for oscilloscope and many oscilloscopes in the background. So more components. The camera. My son has borrowed one of my cameras. He also have a YouTube channel, but very small, and I'm very small.
Yeah, and by the way, I didn't mention it. I have mentioned it before. Robert here has a YouTube channel called RB Retro Bunker, and he hasn't been producing a lot lately, but you should still check out his channel. He has some interesting videos.
Yes, I'm very appreciative if you can come and look at my channel. I have some personal difficulties, so I don't have done so much videos lately in 1 or 2 years. So I'm very sorry. Maybe I should retake this.
Yeah, you should do you should try at least.
Yeah, I get inspired by Tommy here, so maybe I can get back on it.
Yes, and if we go outside, he's even got more. He has this old van here full of equipment and computers. Yeah, and this Amiga 4000, it works perfectly fine. It just loaded Adam's Family. And this is his other shed, and even here he has a lot of stuff, computers and equipment. I see a lot of PCs and floppy disks. Is this safely stored? There's no moisture or?
Oh, this is. I have checked some of these machines that's lying here. They come from a shed that's been minus 30 degrees in 10 years.
Okay.
And they still work.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's my go point, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It's not healthy for a machine being damp or cold environment. I can say that too. But I have tried it now, so it works.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and I also got some machines from Robert before. He sent me even the shipping was quite expensive, but I really appreciate that too. And you have a lot of stuff here. Here's all your wires hanging
Yes.
neatly there. A lot of headsets. And you have a lot of bigger tools
Yeah,
too.
I got the mechanical side to repair the car if something does break down or something like that, and bolts and things to repair cars or motorcycles. And just for knowing this, I have always done electronics in my life, repair them and fix them, and both the modern and old stuff. And before, when this garage wasn't full of electronics, it was full of enduro bikes.
Okay.
I got I think 6 or 7 enduro bikes at the time when I run enduro, but not in any professional way enduro. I just think it was neat to have them, so I got them.
But you have snowmobile too?
Yes, 3 snowmobiles now.
Yeah.
One for my wife and 2 of my own. One in the shed I have back there, and one in my cabin.
Yeah, that's fun. I've driven snowmobiles before. My father had one, and this is still in the Arctic, isn't it? Is it further north or south of the Arctic Circle?
I think you are further north than me. I must travel a lot to come to the Arctic.
Yeah, it's in the north part of Sweden anyway. So
yeah, we got 1-2 meters of snow.
So in the winter.
we got, so we can handle it to run with snow bikes.
But still, you have nice summers like today. It's 25 degrees and sunny and.
Sweden and in the north is known to have good weather.
Yeah.
But it's short. It's very short winter. So.
Short summer, you mean?
So it's short summer and long winter.
Long
winter,
yeah. It's the same in Boden.
Yeah.
Boden and Boden, almost the same.
Yeah.
And here you have some more Amigas and C64.
Yes.
Is they all working or?
This one is from you.
Yeah. Okay. That's the one I gave you.
Yes.
Yeah.
It had tape cassette problem, so I sold it. It was only a diode.
Yeah.
That's gone bad, so it's very simple work.
Yeah, I think I had that repair done before on one of my. And I also see you got the one with a little grayish keycaps, because I had a mishap with some retrowriting there. So
doesn't matter for me. I love it anyway. And I got the Amiga 500 Plus that I have repaired.
Yeah.
Previous in some of my videos.
Did it have any battery leakage?
Yes, extremely. And I had a big Amiga 500 Plus that leaked so bad, so I took parts from it to my friend. So he repaired his. So one of my friends that I work with gave me my Amiga 500 Plus, but it was so bad, so we couldn't do anything with it. So it passed away, the part, to live in other machines. So that's great.
Oh my God, look at this. Robert gave me all this stuff. There's a working IBM Model 30, I think, an oscilloscope and Atari hard disk, some floppy drive and some power supplies, and a parts machine for IBM Model 30, and a Spectra video machine that has seen better days, but that's amazing. Thanks a lot. And now we're in the attic at Robert's house, and he has a lot of stuff here too. Amigas. Yeah, more Amigas, Commodore 64, and of course some modern gaming PCs. Okay, Robert, anything else you want to tell me, or should we stop here?
I don't know. I got a little bit of modern stuff. You can edit the videos that you want to have in it. And under here I got, under this one, I got 8 or 9, it's very hard to see, boxes full of Amiga stuff. Joysticks, power supplies, everything, games, and more. And if you see, it's maybe hard to see if you're full of, you see the shelf is full.
Yeah.
And there is like here, you see how I manage Amiga 2000, two of them lying on the ground. They both work, so that's no problem.
Do you ever plan to sell anything? They can get high prices.
Yeah, I know it can get high prices, and I think sometime I will sell. Just in the moment, I sell only to you.
Sell me the 4,000. Good price in Swedish kroners.
Yeah, I know.
That's the dream machine, but
Yes.
I haven't still gotten one. So
Oh yeah.
when there are one for sale locally or in Norway, Norwegian sales channels, they're over expensive, like
Yes.
2,000
Yeah.
euros.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The funny history, not so funny. A friend of mine, his brother passed away, and I got many of these Amigas from him. I'm very happy for that. And I tried to pay him, but he didn't want any money. He just wanted to go to someone who cares about them.
Yeah, well, that's great.
And when I took up a big box, I got many boxes. All the garage was filled with boxes. And when I opened one box, I looked in it and I think, oh, PC parts. Okay, I think I will look at that later.
Yeah.
And on the night I was thinking, I had nothing to do, so I go back in the garage and see if I can open this box and check it out and clean. Then I open it and pull it out, and it was to 4,000.
Okay.
I almost cried.
Great.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
almost cried.
Yeah.
I called him back and say I will pay you for the 4,000. It's too expensive to give away, but he didn't want to have it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's a very good friendship, but I
Yeah.
don't, yeah,
That's great.
yeah,
That's how it should be, but nowadays too many people want too much money for the old stuff, and the prices are crazy. All right, Robert, I think we're gonna end it here, and I'm very happy you wanted a visit from me. It's just 10 minutes driving from here. We stay at the camping site, and it's a very nice place, and tomorrow we go home. So next time you have to come to Boden. It's not
Yes.
that far. It's just like 6-7 hours driving.
yeah.
So,
I will try to get my family to come too, but
yeah.
yeah, it's very nice to have you here in person. We have talked a lot over internet, and no, not so much on the phone, but
No.
On the internet. And I look at Arctic Retro channel is one of my go-to channels. I look at them often when he puts out some, and you can like and subscribe on his Arctic Retro. It's will help him to do much more fun stuff. So,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
great. Thank you. Lately I've been a little bit down with my creativity. It's haven't been as much fun as before, but we'll see now after the holidays if I can make some more good videos.
Maybe I can send him some stuff so he can do some more videos. I got plenty, so I got the surprises for him. So you're gonna look in.
Okay, thanks a lot, and thanks for watching, and special thanks to my Patreons and my subscribers. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later in the autumn when I come back with some real videos. Bye bye.